Hi, and welcome to the Electromagnet Station for Science Olympiad. In this station, you will learn what an electromagnet is, how to make one, and you're going to try and make it as strong as you can. So first of all, watch this video. Remember, it's a video, so you can pause it, you can replay it if you need to. And then once you've watched the video, you may investigate. First of all, an electromagnet looks something like this. It has a battery, wire, and some sort of iron. This is a bolt right here. So what happens is the electric current flows from the battery into the wire and goes into the iron. And then this makes the magnet. So with an electromagnet, you can turn off or on the magnet. You can also strengthen it or weaken it. So it's a little bit more useful sometimes than a regular magnet. So this iron should be magnetized, and I can pick up things such as paper clips with it. Now, at your station, you should have instructions. So this tells you how to set it up, and then questions for you to investigate. You also have a battery holder. This is where you can place your battery. You should have 2 of those. The second one is in a larger case, but this is where you put your battery here. You have 2 D batteries. You have different sized wires. They have different lengths and different thicknesses. And you have an iron bolt. And you also have paper clips to pick up with your electromagnet. So to set this up, first of all, you need to place your battery in the holder. And then you need to take your wire. It should be coiled up if the last group left it the way they were supposed to. So when you're uncoiling this, do it carefully so it doesn't get all tangled. And remember, when you're cleaning your station up, I would like you to coil it back up, and I just twist it around my fingers like this. Okay? So uncoil your wire, and you want to leave maybe about, 5 inches or so on the end to connect to your battery, and you just want to wind your wire around your bolt. And you can wind it a few times and test it. You can wind it many times and test it and see how that the difference of the winding affects your electromagnet strength. So wind up the wire, and then you're going to have 2 loose ends. With electricity, we have what we call an electric current, and that current needs to go in not a circle, but in a complete circuit, which means there's no open wires. So you need to make sure all your wires are connected. So when I'm connecting this wire to the battery, there's a lever here. You need to press down on the lever, and then there's a little hole on the top. So the wire goes through that hole, and then lift up on the lever, and the wire should stay there. So you're going to connect both ends that way. And now you have your electromagnet, so you should be able to pick up paper clips with it. Okay? So your goal, again, is to create an electromagnet and then investigate ways to make it stronger. In the end, you're going to record how many paper clips you can pick up, and that will be your number of points. You can make it stronger by either using 1 battery or 2 batteries, so investigate which one is going to make your electromagnet stronger. When you connect your second battery, you can ask an adult how to do that. You want to make sure you have a full circuit, so you'll use several wires for that. You can also, like I said, test how many times you wind the wire around your bolt and see which one creates the stronger magnet. When you have picked up your paper clips, I want you to show an adult so that we can write down how many paper clips you have picked up. And then we will choose the largest number for your points. If you have questions, there's adults around the room, please ask us. And most importantly, have fun.